Ethics and Business, Lecture 2. What is ethics? Simply, ethics is a system of moral principles. It influences how people make decisions and lead their lives. It is concerned with what is good for individual and society and is also expressed as moral philosophy. The term is derived from the Greek word ethos, which can mean custom, habit, character, or disposition. Ethics cover the following dilemmas: how to live a good life, our right and responsibility, the language of right and wrong, moral decision, what is good and bad. From the above, we say that ethics have been derived from religions, philosophies, and cultures, which infuse debates on topics like abortion, human rights, and professional conduct. Ethics could be stated as answering the question, what can I do for the best? There are three key elements here. Number one, I, because ethics are about your individual professional responsibility to act. Second one, do, because ethics are about practical courses of action in the real world where things are not always about what you do but how you do them. Third one, best, because ethics are not about doing what is right or wrong, often involve making choices between courses of action, both of which might be unpalatable or give rise to problems. Approaches to ethics. Ethical theories tend to divide into three areas: metaethics, normative ethics, and applied ethics. Metaethics deals with the nature of moral judgment. It looks at the origins and meaning of ethical principles. Normative ethics is concerned with the content of moral judgment and the criteria for what is right or wrong. Applied ethics looks at controversial topics like war, animal rights, and capital punishment. Where do ethics come from? Ethics come from God and religion, human conscience and intuition, a relation, moral cost-benefit analysis of action and their effects. Next one, the example of good human being, a desire for the best for people in each unique situation. Last one, political power. Importance of ethics in organization. Primarily, it is individual, the consumer, the employee, or the human social unit of the society who benefits from ethics. Organization need to be abide by ethics or rule of law, engage themselves in fair practices and competition, all of which will benefit the consumer, the society, and organization. In addition, ethics is important because of following. First one, satisfying basic human needs. Being fair, honest, and ethical is one of the basic human needs. Every employee's desire to be such himself and to work for an organization that is fair and ethical in its practices. Second one, creating credibility. An organization that is believed to be driven by moral values is respected in the society, even by those who may have no information about the working and the business or an organization. Third one, uniting people and leadership. An organization driven by values is admired by its employees. Also, they are the common thread that brings the employees and the decision makers on a common platform. This goes a long way in aligning behaviors within the organization towards achievement of one common goal or mission. Fourth one, improving decision making. Decisions are driven by values. For example, an organization that does not value competition will be vicious in its operation, aiming to wipe out its competitors and establish a monopoly in the market. Fifth one, long-term gain. Organization guided by ethics and values ethics and values are profitable in the long run, though in the short term run they may seem to lose money. Last one, securing the society. Often ethics succeeds low in safeguarding the society. Ethics tries to create a sense of right and wrong in organization, and often when the law fails, it is the ethics that may stop organization from harming the society or environment. The importance of ethics in business. Decisions taken within an organization may be made by individuals or groups, but whoever makes them will be influenced by the culture of the company. The decision to behave ethically is a moral one. Employees must decide what they think is the right course of action. Ethical behavior and corporate social responsibility can bring significant benefits to business. For example, they may attract customers to the farm products, thereby boosting sales and profits, make employees want to stay with the business, reduce labor turnover, and therefore increase productivity, attract more employees wanting to work for the business, reduce recruitment cost, and enable the company to get the most talented employees, attract investors, and keep company share price high, thereby protecting the business from takeover. Unethical behavior or lack of corporate social responsibility by comparison may damage a firm's reputation, make it less appealing to stakeholders, profits could fall as a result. The importance of ethics for professional accountants. One of the key traits of a professional is adherence to a rigorous set of ethical guidelines. When someone veers too far from ethical standards, their trustworthiness and judgment come into question. Accountants deal with the intimate financial details of individual and organization. Some have the ability to execute million-dollar transactions, and others assist with safeguarding retirement fund of cab drivers and social workers. Ethical codes are the fundamental principles that accounting professionals choose to abide by to enhance their profession, maintain public trust, and demonstrate honesty and fairness. The following 5 areas that observe the attention of anyone considering working in the accounting professional: independence and objectivity. Second one, integrity. Third one, confidentiality. Fourth one, professional competence. The last one, professional behavior. These 5 areas are considering working in the accounting profession. If you work in professional in accounting, these 5 will help you to improve your capability, improve your integrity, and your confidentiality and professional competence. These 5 also helps you to improve the importance of ethics for professional accountants. প্রফেশনাল অ্যাকাউন্ট্যান্টসদের জন্য এই 5টা খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্স। এই 5টা প্রফেশনাল অ্যাকাউন্টসদেরকে ইমপ্রুভ করতে তাদের প্রফেশনালিজমের ক্ষেত্রে অনেক বড় ধরনের হেল্প করে থাকে।